Hi, this is Christine and welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. Normally I'm working on scrapbook mini albums or journals, but I've decided to try something a little bit different and I'm going to work on this cross-stitch project. I haven't done cross-stitching or embroidery in eons. The last time I made anything was this little sampler, and I think that was probably 12 to 15 years ago. I never even got around to framing it. Maybe I'll do that in the near future. I'm gonna have to wash it. I have a bit of a stain here, and then see if I can get a mat. But anyways, I was inspired to try cross stitch again by Evelyn, whose YouTube channel is called Art Bee. I'll include a link to it. I was first inspired by Evelyn to make journals. She does beautiful work, and it's hard not to be inspired when you look at some of the creations that she's made. And she's also a painter, and she does needlework. And she's been cross-stitching lately, and she posted some of her beautiful projects on her channel. I'll include a link to that because they're just absolutely gorgeous. And I don't want to, even though I've tried cross stitch in the past, I don't want to try anything that's too advanced, like she did. I'm instead using this kit that I got from Michael's, and I used her 30% off coupon, so it comes to about $31 plus tax, which is I think about the same price that you would pay anywhere else normal. And I find that a lot with Michael's. If you want to pay the same price as other stores, you have to use your coupons. So I figured I would do an unboxing, because when I wanted to find this find a pattern and I came across this one, I didn't see any that showed what the contents looked like. So I figured, well, now I've got it, if anybody else is interested in purchasing it, I'll just do an unboxing. So I haven't looked at this yet. It comes on 14 count natural Aida cloth. It's supposed to include a needle and instructions as well as the kit, and I decided to opt with the kit for my first big project because then everything's included. I don't have to go back to the store to pick up some other supplies that I might have missed. Everything's supposed to be included in here. So I'm going to open the package. Wow, this is really well sealed. The thread colors look beautiful. And I'm actually thinking maybe some of the yellow that's on here, I might use, go out and buy some gold thread and maybe add a few little beads, like in the flowers where you get the stamens. Maybe I'll just use some beads in there to dress it up a bit. But I think it's going to be beautiful just as is. So these are already pre-sorted. And yeah, there's quite a bit of the embroidery floss, and I'm gonna have to do a refresher on the instructions. I've been looking at YouTube videos all afternoon yesterday from these cross stitchers who do beautiful projects, and I've learned quite a bit just from watching a few videos yesterday. So here's the cloth. Now this measures 9 by 15 inches, and it looks like it might be a full coverage piece. I think somebody said they made it in 2 months. Other people have said 2 years. I don't know how long it's going to take me to make this. Sometimes I start a project and I put it aside and pull it out later. So I'm not going to place any bets on how long it's going to take me to make this project. But here are the instructions, and they look pretty clear. And again, I think before I start working, I'll just refer back to some videos on YouTube. It's great for that. So here's the oh, here's a little needle. want to lose that. So here's the legend and the type of stitch, color code. I wish that they would give the matching color code for the more popular types of floss, but they don't seem to have that on here. Anyways, so there's the whole project. Yeah, that looks quite neat. Okay, so they've got a description of the stitches. And they don't look very complicated at all. So this might be a good project to do while watching TV or something. Anyways, it should prove to be relaxing, I hope. And I'll just do a close-up of the beautiful threads. Yeah, I love the colors. Yeah. So anyways, that's just to give you an idea of what the kit looks like if you're interested in getting one for yourself. And like I said, I picked it up at Michael's and I used one of their 30% off coupons. And I paid about $31 Canadian. Have a nice day. Happy crafting. Bye.